So this will be a quick video on just how to add a beneficiary to your Robinhood account. Now this is a new feature, so it should be rolling out to all customers pretty soon. Now this is a topic that many people don't cover, but it's an important thing to prepare for. Now if you don't know what a beneficiary is, it's a person that you would entrust your assets to in the event of your death. Now you could further detail this information if you have a trust, a will, or even a life insurance policy. And to be eligible as a beneficiary, this person must be at least 18 years old, a US citizen, or otherwise legally permitted to open a Robinhood account. And a thing to note, you are currently not eligible to add a beneficiary to your account if you are a resident of Louisiana. A link to this Robinhood beneficiary page can be found in the description below. Now to set up your beneficiary, you first need to log into your account and click on the Get Started tab if they have it featured on Add a Beneficiary. If they don't have it featured, just click on your account, click on Settings, and under the Personal Information tab, click on Beneficiaries. If you're on mobile, it's the same process. Just click on Profile, Settings, and Beneficiaries. And the process for adding them is just clicking Add, going over the legal disclosures. Once you click on Agree, the information that you need to add is their first and last name. Now make sure this is their legal name. You're going to add your relationship with them. Currently, the only two options are spouse or domestic partner and other family member or friends. You'll add their date of birth and their email. Now just make sure this is an active email that they use, as this is used to verify your beneficiary. Now even though you're setting this, Robinhood won't directly reach out to them by sending them any emails, so you might want to let them know. And once you click on Save Beneficiary, the member will be added under your beneficiaries list. Now you can add multiple people to be a beneficiary, but the allocation amount will be divided equally. Currently there's no way to customize that. So if you have one person, it'll be automatically set to 100%. If you have two, they'll both be 50%, and so on until the max amount, which is 10 people. So right now, this is only for stocks and crypto isn't supported. They say that they'll be working on adding crypto, but until then, your normal estate process such as a will is going to be followed. Now, once your profile is updated and your beneficiaries are added, you can send them this article which outlines the steps that they'll need to take in the case of your death. This article will tell them what documents are required and how to contact Robinhood. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue making content just like this.